Yeah, we'll talk about role of laparoscopy and hysteroscopy in infertility patients. See, laparoscopy is a very important technique, very gold standard treatment for all the infertile couples. When on investigation we find that no abnormality is seen, then we subject the patient to laparoscopy, and in that we assess how is the uterus, how are the tubes, whether the tubes are patent or not, and how are the ovaries. If you find any problem anywhere, then we try to correct also at the same sitting. So, it is a daycare procedure wherein patient is not admitted overnight and they are called in the morning and then they are charged in the evening. And with laparoscopy, the most common things what we treat are PCOS, that is polycystic ovarian disease, and if they have any ovarian cyst, if they have any dermoids, or if they have any minimal tubal blocks, and if they have fibroids, then we do myomectomy. And if they have endometriosis, wherein they have endometriotic cyst in the ovaries, so we take out those cysts and then we clean the pelvis and then we see to it that the tubes are open or not. So once we do laparoscopy, we come to a conclusion whether patient is going to be benefited with IUI or she needs straight away IVF. So laparoscopy is very important investigation as well as a treatment modality for in infertility. And similarly, hysteroscopy is very important for all the patients before IVF. We do as a routine pre-IVF hysteroscopy. So with this, we try to assess how is the uterine cavity, how is the lining of the uterus. If they have any small lesions inside, like any band of adhesions or any septum, then we do excision of the septum. If they have any polyp, then we excise the polyp. And so with this, we try to improve the receptivity of the uterus so that the pregnancy rate is more. So as a routine, we subject all the patients to hysteroscopy, and if we find any abnormality on the scan, then we do combine this with laparoscopy. So it's a very important treatment modality for the infertile couples.